Hi everyone. So in last video we saw the theoretical part of the custom instructions, but in this video we will actually see the demo of this and what is the problem if you don't write these custom instructions. So for example, I have created a new Copilot CLI session, and in my current repository, let us first create a Java calculator console app. So I will give a prompt to the Copilot CLI, create a console app in console app backend in Java inside a new folder in current folder. Create a simple. So we just want some console based Java backend for the calculator, and as you can see, it will first create a directory. It already created it. Runnable hello world. Yes, let's convert to the calculator app. Now let's give it a prompt to give using this calculator app, give me result of 2 plus 2. Okay, as you can see over here, it has already created this project inside like Java console app. Run.sh. So as you can see, like it used these instructions to build and run your repository, like in our case the calculator app, right? And this run.sh file exists over here, which does this compilation and running of your Java project. And the main.java file contains all the logic to take the operators and the number 1 and number 2 from your console. Okay, so far so good till now, but the problem will start when I create a new session. So when I create a new Copilot session, so in the new session, in the new Copilot session, let's say when I give some instructions like run this calculator app and give me result of 3 minus 1, it will try to figure out, but as it doesn't have the earlier context, as you see, it was unable to run the calculator app. It is trying to find the calculator app with the name and these like you can give the instructions like figure out like how you want to do like figuring out the things for you, but it will definitely take the number of tokens for you. So what you can do, as we saw, is just create a new directory over here with the name .github, and inside that create a file called as copilot instructions.md, and then you can say like this calculator app, and then use following command to run the calculator app, And this is what our command was at the first time when we created it, right? So we create this file, and now we will create a new Copilot session. I will press Ctrl C to exit, and then create a new Copilot session. So Copilot, and as you can see over here, now when once our environment is loaded, it will show you that one custom instruction is there. And when you will say run the calculator app and give me result of some numbers, it directly it correctly used the command that we gave in this special instruction file. And we can provide the numbers and the operators. Numbers as first number equal to 3, equal to minus, and second number equal to 1. And it will use the running application and provide these inputs and like give you the result. So main crux over here was rather than figuring out every time in the new session of Copilot, it will use these special instructions to run your application. And basically the main part is it will save your number of tokens that you use rather than figuring out every time you run this project in a new session.